Hey you guys, welcome back to Officially Coco. If y'all happen to hear stuff in the background, that's just life. I just wanted to hurry up and show y'all. Remember I told y'all I bought some Dupe Gucci shoes? I'm just saying, it's like it's legit, but it's not. We all know I got it from Dhgates. So these are the Gucci shoes that I got from Dhgates. She did put it in the Gucci box. This is a size 41, which means it's a size, I don't know, for some reason it says size 10, so we're gonna go with it. Hey, I'm dropping stuff, so wait a minute, let me get this. My dog trying to eat it. So it comes with these papers, pretty much showing like receipts and everything. They say Gucci inside. And then it also has the Gucci dust bag. I think it's just one. So this is it, the dust bag, the little duster. And then it has the paper as well that says Gucci. So let's get into the shoes. Let's get to what you came here for. Y'all, I am not playing. These look like, I tried them on already. But y'all tell me, and then they got the Gucci logo on it. Then look at this. Y'all tell me if this don't look like the real thing. And on the back, they got Gucci. It got the same thing Gucci had. Y'all, I think I did good this time. And I think I paid, I can't look because y'all know I'm recording on my phone. But I think I paid, if I'm not playing, I think I paid like no more than $40. I think I paid $37, $38, but I'm just gonna round it off to 40. If I can remember, I'll put it in a video. But y'all, it got everything like the Gucci. Gucci here, Gucci here, and Gucci all on here. And I'm gonna tell you, if I can remember the seller, because now when you go in there, I don't think her stuff is on there. But I'm just telling you, she communicated good. The tracking, sent me more pictures because I was like, I needed to make sure, because sometimes when you go on Dhgates, you don't see the logo on it. So I was asking her, is it gonna have the logo? Because I don't want to be walking around with just no flowers, baby. That's not what I want. But she sent me how it's actually gonna look once I get them, and I have to say I'm very, very pleased with it. And I'm happy that I did get these. I am like currently waiting on my Dupe bag, which I got another one, but I'll show y'all when it comes. But the tracking just stopped May the 12th, so I don't know what's going on with it. So I will reach out to that seller and see what's going on. But I'm telling you, I'm psyched with these. I just wanted to drop in real quick and show y'all these. I'm gonna sit this here for a minute. And they do come with one dust bag. I don't know if the original ones come with two, because I know I got my husband some Gucci real slides. I didn't buy him the one. I got his from Nordstrom, and his have two bags, dust bag for each shoe. But this one's only one, and it's fine. I'll just put both of them in there. But he has some male slides as well. But I just wanted to show y'all what I got real quick. And I like these. It's not that, I mean, I just wanted to, I didn't want to pay the, I didn't want to pay for the, you know, the other ones, because they just slides. And then it was hard to find. Like, I was like, I don't have time for that. So I was like, let me just look on, because I seen a lot of people on TikTok talking about these, to get the Dupe ones. And I saw other videos on YouTube, and I'm like, let me just try it out. And I have to say, this was worth it. This was definitely worth the wait, and I'm happy that I did move forward and got these instead of spending $400 on the regular one. So I have to say I am happy with this purchase. I want to thank y'all again for watching Officially Coco. I'm glad y'all came to my channel and watched this video, because I was, you know, I couldn't wait to show you all and share this with you all and do my unboxing with you. So I want to thank y'all again. If you're not already subscribed to Officially Coco, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with hitting the notification bell. That way you know when I upload a video, because I definitely have more coming your way. And I'll check y'all on my next one. Make sure y'all stay safe. Peace.